Want to make money using AI even if you're not a techie? These 5 tools can help you start today. AI is transforming how people make money online. Whether it's automating tasks, generating content, or selling services, these tools are game changers. First, ChatGPT. It's your AI assistant for writing emails, blogs, video scripts, and even business plans. You can offer services on Fiverr or Upwork using ChatGPT. Next is Midjourney. This AI creates stunning images and art. Use it to start a print-on-demand store or sell custom designs online. Third, Jasper.ai. A powerful tool for businesses to generate marketing copy, add headlines, and landing page content. Great for agencies or freelancers. Fourth, Pictory.ai. It turns text into engaging short videos. Perfect for social media content or faceless YouTube channels. And finally, Synthesia. You can create AI-generated talking avatar videos. Great for training, marketing, or personal branding. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI might. So start using these tools today to boost your income and stay ahead.